Hello all, welcome to my channel Data Woo. So we are going to start and we are going to unlock the various tools in data science. So today we are starting with Excel and I'll be just giving you introduction to the Excel today. So here we are seeing the Excel. When you open the Microsoft Excel, you'll be seeing the screen here where you have different menus, file menu, home menu. You will get the basic tools that you want to work with Excel here. Insert menu, you will be able to add different objects into your Excel file. Draw you it gives you a canvas kind of thing where you can draw, erase, and you can draw with touch and all. Page layout, formulas, if you want to do any changes to the margins, different orientation, all these things you can do on this menu. Then you have formula where you will get all different types of formula that you can apply into your data. Then data menu will help you to do different getting the data from various sources, from databases, from CSV files, text files, web, from different tables, SQL files and all. It will help you, it will give you tools where you can sort the data based on the way you want, and you can filter the data as the way you want. You can perform different data related tools here. If you want to convert from text to columns, columns to text, all these things you can do it here. The advanced analytical techniques or advanced data advanced Excel techniques, what if analysis will be applied here. Forecasting will come here. You want here it help you to group your data and unlock your data, etc. Then you have review, view, developer, where you will working with the macros, will come into the last sessions of Excels. Then you have view, the way you want to view your data, different kind of Excel views will be here. Then you have page layout view, so we'll be working on the normal view. If you don't want to give the formula bar, you can remove the formula bar. You can see the formula bar disappeared from here. And if you don't want headings, that headings is removed from here. A B C D 1 2 3 4 will be removed. If you don't want grid lines to be displayed there, that you can remove the grid lines also. But always, since it is a table format, tabular format, the grid lines will help you to work with the data. And here you have help. If you want to know anything about any functions or any what's new, if you want, just click on what's new. It will show you. You can give your questions here, you can find out. There is training also. There is training files also displayed here which you can work on. So what is Excel, from what is Excel to the last even XLOOKUP, if function, all the details will be displayed here. So if you have any query regarding the any of the functions that you're working with Excel, you can work on this. Now in the first screen you can see this is A1, the cell, the currently selected cell is, the column name is A and the row name is 1, so that's why the name of the cell is A1. You can change the name of the cells, we'll see that later. And this is a formula bar, whatever you are entering into a cell. So if I enter a data, that data will be displayed here, or if you are entering any formula, that formula will be displayed here. Then we have the basic font related data pane here. Then you can work on the alignments here. The simple basic functionalities are there. We'll go to each one of it later. Now one of the main advantage of Excel is you don't have to enter the data if there is a format in the data. For example, if I want to enter the data from 1 to 100, you'll have to just enter and then drag it. When you drag it, automatically the value will be. So this feature of the Excel, we normally call it as autofill features are there. This is not only for numbers, even for the characters you can do the same. So you can see I have entered ABC. If I do this, it will be repeatedly ABC. Now if I go for year, for example 1 20 25, so it displayed there as 1 1 2025, and if I go for it, it will just go for the remaining dates in the month. And even you can see after 31st of January It will go to 1st of February. Okay, so this ability or this feature of Excel, we call it as autofill features. If you go for months, January, February, and if you drag it again, it will be displayed all the month in order. So these features, we call it as autofill features.